Hello, my loves. It's Kasha, Plannerista 101, and today I am going to be sharing with you the new Happy Box, which is the Stay Wild Happy Box, which is I actually have two of the planners for this year and next year, and then I gave one away just this weekend. So this is the rest of the line, what they have as far as wild style, and I think you're gonna like it, so stay tuned. Look at this beautiful tissue paper they always include in their boxes. Their tissue paper is never plain, it's always some kind of print that correlates to what's in the box, and this is what it looks like packaged. And this big heart shape note actually will show you what's in there. So we have some cards, dividers, dashboard, bag, stickers, lots of stickers. So I'm just flipping it around. I'm going to start with the tote bag. It is black and gold foiled. It is quite large, so you can fit quite a bit in there, and I think it's perfect. And the print is beautiful. And then you have a patch. I think this is an iron-on, and this is something that possibly you could put on the deluxe cover. I'm not sure. And then we have 4 cards, and I'll open everything in just a second and show you in detail. So we have a pen loop, stickers, there's 10 sheets, a dashboard with note pages, 4 dividers, filler paper, big stickers, a notebook, and a pencil holder. So I'm going to put this on the side and we'll get started. I'm just going to move that note. It came out of the box. Okay, so we have the tote bag that I showed you, and then we have the note pages, and they're blank inside, but they do have a print. And then this one says bold, unique, brave, strong, and kind, and I think that's beautiful. And another one, and 3 empty envelopes. So these are the note cards that you can send to friends, some happy mail. And then the pen loop, I'm just going to grab the notebook and show you how that works. So you would put it on the actual notebook, so it would actually work to kind of keep your notebook together too. And look at all of the colorful prints on this loop. And then you slide in your pen, and that's it. That's how that works. So let me remove this really quick. And since I grabbed the notebook, let me show you what the notebook looks like. So the notebook comes with 3 dividers. The pages are dot grid, and they do have a leopard print on the inside. This is the second divider. These are beautiful. They're neutral and beautiful. And then this is the third one. And all of the pages are the same. This is the back and side. This is the back of the cover, and look at the discs. So this is what they look like. They are clear, but they have gold glitter in them. Okay, and like I said, the patch. And then we have a pencil holder, and it does stay up, and it feels like very nice and cold in my hand. It's very gummy, so it is a silicone one. I'm just gonna slip this underneath. I'm not planning to throw this out. I probably will find a use for it. And then I'm just gonna remove the big stickers and show you. Oh, these are gorgeous. They're beautiful, and they're foiled. And I can't wait to use them. And then these are the other stickers, but I'm gonna open the filler paper. It's not quite filler paper because it does have prompts, so it has like a date, priorities, reminders, today, and the back is exactly the same. And I am going to insert a picture of this so you can see for up close. Okay, so there you go. That's what that looks like, and I'm gonna put this away. And let's take a look at the 4 dividers that come in the box as well. So those you can use as your extra sections in a planner or in your notebooks or whatever it might be. So the first one is you are capable of amazing things, which kind of reminds me of Teresa Collins' ones. This one has a grid, and then one side is foiled, one side is not. Then we have the same thing as we had on one of the reading cards. And now I'm gonna open the dashboard so you can take a look what the dashboard looks like. So the dashboard is colored sections. Can't really see it on camera because they're pastel. There we go. So you have a date, and then you have different colors, and then the dashboard will clip into the planner. And it does have foil, so if you wanted to remove the notebook, you could. And then the way you would do it, you would pull on the foil and it would come off. And then you would just have a dashboard. And then last but not least is the sticker pages, and it's not quite a book. There is a glue adhesive that keeps it on the top together, but it doesn't have a cover. And there's 10 pages. The first one is foiled. Oh, this is beautiful. Everything is just very neutral and very, very gorgeous. I think they did a great job with this. Gorgeous, beautiful. And of course you have some letters that are leopard style. So let me remove all of this extra foil. So you get the stickers, the 10-page stickers, the dashboard with the notepad, the 4 dividers, the daily or whatever it might be filler pages, 2 sheets of the big sticker, the iron-on patch, the notebooks, 3 note cards, tote, and a pencil case. So, and a pen loop. So I'm not sure if you think that's worth it. For me, it was. I do love the print. I love how neutral it is. I don't think I would be able to go without those stickers. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. And if you are subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. And to those who are visiting, please consider subscribing. That would be great. I would truly appreciate it. Thanks, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!